In this video, I'm going to share with you the syllabus for 2025 JAMB for those of you writing government exam. Of course, you know that government is a very vast subject, but then you don't need to read all the topics in your voluminous government exercise books. In this video, I will share with you those particular topics that JAMB brought out, from which they will set JAMB questions for 2025 from. If you are writing government 2025, let me share with you the particular topics to expect questions from, so that as you are reading, you direct your attention to them. JAMB broke government into 4 parts. In the first part is elements of government. So I will share those with you. Just pay attention. Elements of government. Number 1 I want you to study is basic concepts of government, like definition of government and all the rest. Just get to your textbook, study basic concept of government. Then study forms of government. Study arms of government. Study structures of government. Study systems of government. Study different political ideologies. Study constitution. Okay. Study principles of democratic government. Study processes of legislation. Study citizenship. When you get to your government textbook, you should see these are different topics in your government textbook. Then pay attention to the electoral process, political parties and party system. These things are things that will surely come out. Then study pressure groups. There is a topic in your government textbook, pressure groups, public opinion, then the civil service. All these 15 topics are under the first part of government. By the way, if you want me to send you this syllabus and to send you under relevant information you need to pass your JAMB 2025 or any year you are writing, if you want me to send this syllabus, I will send it for you free of charge. What you just need to do is click on subscribe. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. You will see a button. Just click like this video, watch this video from beginning to the end, then click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Once I see you have subscribed, I or my staff will now send you this particular document I'm reading from, and also the syllabus in all your other subjects you need. So just go ahead and subscribe now. The second part of government is pre-colonial politics. Just read it up. Imperialist penetration, process of decolonization, constitutional development in Nigeria. Just study these things. Post-independence constitutions, institutions of government in the post-independence of Nigeria, public commissions established by the 1979 and subsequent constitutions, political parties and party politics in post-independence Nigeria, the structure and workings of Nigerian federalism, public corporation and parastatals, local government and the military in Nigeria politics. I'm sure you are able to see what I'm reading from. So when you subscribe, I will still send this material to you, but then I want you to just pay attention. So I will send this free of charge to you. Just subscribe to Noble Tutorials. Just watch this video from beginning to the end, then click on subscribe, then come under this video and tell me you are subscribed. Okay? Then we'll go to part 3. Part 3 is just short. We have relationship with international community. So foreign policy. Go to your government textbook and study foreign policy. Study Nigeria's foreign policy. Study Nigeria's relation with African countries. There are textbooks. These are topics in your textbook. Then study Nigeria and international organizations. In our channel, we have also made some posts about syllabus in use of English, mathematics, past questions. We have also made posts on literature, government, economics, and all the rest. So You can also go to our channel Noble Tutorials and search for other videos and you can watch. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and you can also actually share this video. Just click on share, copy the link and paste on to your other friends on WhatsApp and other social media platforms so that they can also watch and also prepare for their JAMB. The final part is international organizations. Under international organization, the ones that JAMB brought out for this year are few. There are just about 5. ECOWAS, Economic Community of West African States, then AU, African Union, then Commonwealth, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, then UNO. Then the 6th one is African Petroleum Producers Association, UPPA. So study this in your textbook. If you can't find it in your textbook, just make research about that. If there is any of them that you don't know or you can't find how to study about, just come under this comment, the comment of this video, and tell me to educate you more on it, and I will do that. Then under each of these ECOWAS, AOU, AU, Commonwealth, OPEC, UNO, APPA, study their origin, study their objectives. Study their origin, objective, structure, their functions, their achievements, their problems, and how they are organized. Prospect of this organization. So basically what I've shared with you are the areas you should focus on as you prepare for your JAMB. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, copy the link, share with your friends, then watch other videos we have done on other subjects, past questions, syllabus, scheme of work, timetables. If you have any question, come under the comment and let me know. Then feel free, when you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Thank you so much. I look forward to your comments and chatting with you.